Starting around 30 July 2023, Cardano sort of is exchanging at 31 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.02% in truly most recent 60 minutes, which fundamentally is very huge. ADA in every practical sense has an all things considered complete market cap of $11,16,533,778, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $165,660,618, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. This generally makes Cardano, ADA, genuinely positioning at 8 in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. On the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2023. What will Cardano truly be somewhat worth in 2023 in a very significant manner? Is Cardano a wise speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they thought. Will ADA cost by and large outperform its unequaled extremely high in an essentially significant manner? These sort of are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future. Cardano, ADA, value forecast 2023. As per the Cardano conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ADA cost really is supposed to cross a very normal value level of 38 cents, the normal least value worth of Cardano, toward the finish of the exceptionally current year, ought to especially be 36 cents, which in every practical sense is very critical. Besides, ADA can sort of arrive at a really greatest value level of 41 cents. Cardano value gauge July 2023. The especially normal cost of Cardano, ADA, could for the most part go to 33 cents toward the finish of July 2023. Exceptionally, in spite of mainstream thinking, ADA could really be exchanging around an especially most extreme worth of 34 cents, with the by and large least expected cost of 30 cents in a genuinely significant manner. ADA value gauge August 2023. The Cardano conjecture for August 2023 expects that the ADA may arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of 35 cents with a base cost of around 32 cents, or so they by and large thought. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value ADA can for the most part stretch around 34 cents for August, which truly is very huge. Cardano, ADA, value gauge September 2023. The Cardano, ADA, cost for September 2023 may truly arrive at a really least worth of 33 cents, while the very greatest gauge cost is around 37 cents, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. The typical cost for ADA explicitly is in every way that really matters, anticipated to explicitly reach 34 cents in September 2023. Cardano value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the for the most part greatest cost for Cardano could really stretch around 38 cents. Besides, the minimum cost of ADA in October 2023 explicitly is 34 cents, with an especially normal cost of 35 cents. Cardano value expectation November 2023. The cost of Cardano really is especially anticipated to generally reach at a fundamentally least worth of 35 cents in November 2023, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The ADA cost could especially arrive at a truly greatest worth of 39 cents. With the truly normal exchanging worth of 36 cents all through 2023, in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. ADA value figure December 2023. Concerning December 2023, Cardano generally is supposed to fundamentally arrive at a by and large least value worth of 36 cents, exhibiting how starting around 30 July 2023, Cardano basically is exchanging at 31 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.02% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, or so they in a real sense thought. The ADA cost could generally arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of 41 cents, with the sort of typical cost around 38 cents. Cardano's sort of past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Cardano's cost in a real sense, has shown a sort of good increment of 1.06% in the especially most recent 24 hours, or so they sort of thought. Cardano generally is confronting a truly tough time jumping aboard with fundamentally other crypto coins in an unobtrusive manner. The ADA in a real sense is down to nearly 0.55%. In the kind of most recent 7 days in an in every practical sense, huge way. The coin truly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for especially past in every practical sense. Not many days. The coin could really have serious areas of strength for commonly, however, We don't sort of figure that it would a productive resource in sort of transient in an unobtrusive manner. Inside the in every practical sense, most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA sort of diminished by 29.772%, disposing of an astounding pretty typical amount of 13 cents from its in every way that really matters current worth, or so they generally thought. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a decent essentially purchase a potential open door for kind of speedy venture, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change is near 17.14%, and the cost truly circled from a really least especially normal cost of 37 cents to in every practical sense, greatest sort of normal cost of 39 cents. In the especially beyond 90 days in an unpretentious manner. In genuinely most recent 4 months Cardano in a real sense has shown a developing pattern. In this manner, we basically believe that comparable pieces of the market in every practical sense were very famous at that period in every practical sense, lured way. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Cardano explicitly is expanded from 4 months, demonstrating the way that the ADA cost could explicitly arrive at a very greatest cost of 41 cents, with the truly normal cost around 38 cents. Cardano pretty past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Cardano's cost truly has shown a genuinely decent increment of 1.06%. In the very most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. The exchanging volume comprises a fundamental job in its cost in an especially huge manner. The coin by and large is up by 14.46%, with the sort of greatest kind of typical cost of the coin generally was around 27 cents, and the genuinely least essentially normal cost of generally was around 26 cents in every practical sense, recent months. Exhibiting how the truly normal cost for ADA especially is anticipated to sort of reach 34 cents in September 2023, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Cardano Value Conjecture 2023 Facts. What will in every practical sense be Cardano all things considered worth in 2023? Which basically is very critical. The ADA cost basically is determined to arrive at a sort of greatest degree of 41 cents, with essentially least cost of 36 cents. Toward the finish of 2023, or so they generally thought. Does Cardano really have a future in a by and large significant manner? As far as value, Cardano fundamentally has a remarkable genuinely potential to arrive at new levels, which basically is genuinely huge. It certainly is estimate that ADA will increment in esteem, which really shows that the 90 days cost change for the most part is near 17.14%, and the cost in a real sense circled from a sort of least kind of typical cost of 37 cents to greatest.